Hi friends, today let us talk about pains in sheet tracking and numbering in V8i, and how the new sheet index feature simplifies the task in Connect Edition. Let us have a look at the workflow for sheet numbering. In V8i, you first needed to create a link set in the Explorer dialog, Links tab. Then, you would manually add sheets to the link set. These sheets would then be numbered in the link set by selecting the renumber option. Once the sheets were numbered, you had to place them as drawing numbers on the title block. Note that V8i doesn't support alphanumeric sheet numbering. So you had to manually type the alphabetical characters, followed by sheet number as text field. Also, there wasn't an automatic way to calculate the total sheet count. The number had to be calculated and inserted in the title block of each sheet manually. This called for a lot of rework when the total number of sheets changed.